Introduction. No matter how cool your business website is or how fantastic your product, you will never generate enough sales to build a viable, viable business if you don't get any traffic to your website. If you want to your business to be successful, then you have to get the word out about your site and give people an compelling reaction to visit it, or else your business want to survive. The good news is there are a lot of ways that you can effectively advertise your company sites online and drive qualified traffic to your site for free. When it comes to the long-term traffic potential for the various marketing strategy, content marketing and search engine optimization, SEO, typical and to trend to provide you with the most significant return of investment. They tend to naturally lend themselves to compounding return and virtually have to risk as long as you can execute the correctly. However, there is one disadvantage to this strategy that typically takes some time to set up and even longer before you will start to see a positive return on your investment. Building momentum with your SEO strategy can take moment even your steep position result for your effort, and when you're launching a new business you don't want to have to wait to generate traffic to your site. Fortunately, there are a number of others ways that you can generate traffic fast without spending a fortune. While all of those positions were both advertising and disadvertising, they have all been proven to create more traffic quickly, and the best part of the they want to cost you demand. With this 5 way to generate free traffic, you will drive more qualified traffic to your site who are more likely to buy the product or service that you are selling. Use viral marketing strategy. Any excellent way to drive more traffic to your site is to use viral marketing strategy to motivate people to want to learn more about your product. Over the last several years, viral messages have started to spread through the internet like wildfire. If you are not entirely sure what viral marketing is, it is essentially any type of advertising that's self-perpetuating that compelling people to share it with others so it quickly spread through a community. A perfect example of viral marketing on the internet is the story of Hotmail. Hotmail was one of the very first free email service to show up on the internet. Within its first year and a half of operation, it, it managed to sign up the outstanding 12 million users. They, be- they, the way they accomplished it, this was quite played. At the end of a very email that was sent through is voicemail Hotmail, including the following message: "Get your free private email at hotmail.com," which encouraged everybody who received an email to head to the site and sign themselves up of the free service. Larger companies like Hotmail use viral marketing messages to help perpetuate brand awareness. This is often accomplished by creating animation clip or humorous video that people are compelled to send to their friends or love. Larger corporations aren't only ones who have found successful by employing viral marketing strategy. If you like to play with animation or video, you can adapt this strategy to generate more interest in your business. It's important to keep in mind that it can be difficult to accurately track your return on investment with viral marketing because it is almost impossible to keep track appear and ads goes. Also, while viral marketing is great for generating a buzz around your company and product, it want to always translate into immediate sale. Employ online business networking communities. Over the last several years, more and more business network communicate are popping off the internet. These online network are similar to social media site or dating site but are used exclusively by entrepreneurs to find other like-minded business people that they can build mutually beneficial business relationship with. This kind of site can provide you with excellent opportunity to establish joint marketing venture with other like-minded business owner. Business network communicate can help you generate more traffic to your site by allowing their members to create personal profile with link to their main company website. Establishing link on business network site can help to improve your site ranking on the major search engine like Google and Bing. Another way you can use business networking communicate to help drive more traffic to your site is to work with business that are relevant to your and try to get monitored on your site that your target audience is likely to visit. Look for companies that are related to your but that are not direct competitor. A great way to get your website mentioned by others business on their site is to offer a sub link with them. Make sure that your find site that get a lot of traffic let them know that you will put link their website on your if they do the same of you. Not only will this generate a ton of traffic, but by having more links on other site, you will also increase your ranking on Google and other search engine. If you decided to join one of the business networking communicate, you want to be sure to partner with business that are complementary and relevant to your one business. The company you choose to partner with should have audience that fit within your target audience demographic and who would be likely to visit your site and become your customer as well. Give a free content. You can quickly get the message out about your website by giving other business free content. This is one of the best way to make sure that your company site get mentioned on other site. Many owner of internet business are more than happy to obtain quality information to put on their website or their one put in newsletter. Offering their other business some regularly update content that has already been posted on your site can significantly benefit your business. When you provide free article advice, columns, or product review to other companies, you will not only be doing a favor for them, but you will also significantly increase the exposure of your one website. The goal is to try and get your content published on popular site on in newsletter that have extensive mailing list. This means that you will have to do bit of research before you offer your content to find out how much traffic it get, how or how many subscribers they have for their opt-in newsletter. You will also need to determine which business site or hotspot in your particular industry, as there are places that you will want to your article to be posted. It is important to remember that for you this particular static to work, you need to make sure that you include your content information and a link to your website at the end of every article that's posted on other side. This make it easy for those who read your article to visit your site to learn more about what you are selling. So it is essential to increase that very site the publisher you you content, also including a link and your content information. Participate in inform and news group. You can generate more traffic to your site by become an organization name in your niche market. Becoming a thought leader can be easily compiled by participating in discussing forums, news group, and even blogging network. Participating in this channel is great way to establish your online identity and start to build a relationship with your potential target audience. Discussion forums, news group, and blogging network are all great tools that can help you communicate with your target market directly and discover what is the need and want. For example, if you sell seek, Google spend some time of seek related forms, which is where your target audience will most likely hanging out. Or you can start at your one blog where you describe your latest thinking adventure, making sure in include attention grabbing image. You could even combine two static and generate even more interest by mentioning your blog in the form a news group that you are participating in. However, you need to keep in mind that this type of group don't allow people to advertise their business bluntly. If you are catch spamming the group with bluntly advertising of your business, not only will you get kicked of the site, but you will earn the reputation of the spammer but turn your target audience against you. If you want to use this strategy to generate traffic to your site, then you will have to make sure that you are offering friendly, useful advice to people who are looking for your help with problem. When you do this, you can including link to your website at the end of your comment. If people like what you have to say, they may end up deciding to visit your site to check out what is you have to offer. 5. Utilize affiliates to drive traffic to your site. Without a doubt, one of the best way to increase exposure to your site and generate more traffic is by starting an affiliate program. Affiliate marketing is where you pay people commission to promote your product on their site and blog. By paying affiliates a commissions, you can get them to drive qualified traffic to your website using a variety of techniques, some of which have already been discussed in this article. The best part of hiring an army of affiliates is that they do most of your marketing for you. Most businesses that rely on affiliate to market their product or service don't have to spend a ton of time optimizing their site to rank high on the search engine. Instead, they let the affiliate market do it for them. Most affiliate are already going to great length to make sure that one site are highly optimized so they can rank high on Google and other research engine, and because they will be directly linking to your site. It helps to boost your search engine ranking as well. The best thing about setting up an affiliate marketing program of your business is that you don't have to pay them anything for the work they do unless they are able to make a sale for you. That makes the particular winning proposition for everyone because the more sales your affiliate helps you close, the more money they will make in return, making them work harder to make sure to promote your business. Conclusion: when it comes to drive more qualified traffic to your website, there are many statistics that you can use, both paid and free. While SEO and content marketing are the top way to drive more qualified traffic to your site, they can take a long time to develop a positive return on your investment. If you want to maximize your site exposure with spending your hard earning money, you can use there's 5 free strategies to get the result you want. To see even better return on your investment, combine several of the above statistics to get even more exposure and traffic to your site. Remember, when it comes to your online marketing strategy, there are three words that you need to keep at the forefront of your mind, and those location in order to generate more traffic. Your site has to be mentioned often in place where your target audience hang out. This is the only way the as many potential customers will see your website as possible. When it comes to content marketing and driving traffic to your site, you can always be going more. Start putting their 5 free traffic generate strategy to work for you. Stick back, relax, and start enjoying all of the free qualified traffic visiting your company's website.